Today, the doors will open, and everything you've been waiting for all summer long will happen. This isn't just a shift anymore, because drink by drink, order by order, you'll create a moment. Great moments are born from great opportunity, and that's what you have here today. Today, you have the opportunity to make football season come alive right here at McGreevy's. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. The bar mats are down, the beer is cold, the cooks are waiting for their orders. The TVs are crystal clear. Go forth and raise that Tom Brady head with pride. Today you made a promise to every single person in this bar that their food will be hot, their beer will be cold, that their service will be impeccable. And you will fight to fulfill that promise. And when the Patriots make that touchdown, you will fire those confetti guns like we've just won the Super Bowl. You're not just opening a bottle of beer, you're opening a dream. A dream that the atmosphere of Gillette Stadium is right here at 911 Boylston Street. You will serve. You will cheer. You will make everyone in this building pinch themselves, wondering, are we at Gillette or are we at McGreevy's? It's our season, and now it's our time to deliver. Make McGreevy's proud. It's game time!